My name is Andy Segovia, and I'm from the United States. It's a roller coaster of everything. You get everything from joy to more joy, and sometimes even sadness, and sometimes great spirituality, and even some magical enchantment moments of visualizations and um, things that I saw during meditation, the rise of my Kundalini, that I've never been able to do it. To me, that was the most amazing experience that I received. For sure, the practice of yoga and the Kashmiri Shaivism way of going into meditation using the yoga poses. To me, that was a very enrichment part of the course. How to use the different techniques and how different techniques resonated with me very strongly. All the rasas, all the methods of how to communicate with Shiva, and the ways to enhance the body to be able to receive more energy from the chakras was, for sure, that's the stuff that I'm going to put into my daily practice. But in one word, wow.